Rooted in rich heritage, united in purpose, Egypt and India join hands to advance healthcare. Inspired by our shared legacies, united by a mission to bring better health to the region. Every journey starts with a beginning, and our journey began in 2018 with a vision to transform pharmaceutical landscape in Middle East and Africa. Spanning 22,000 square feet, our advanced production site where innovation meets purpose and where enhancing lives truly begins. In our advanced R&D laboratories, innovation meets precision. Backed by global regulatory accreditations, our scientists craft every formula to the highest international standards, driven by a passion to improve lives. Through strong partnerships with global leaders like Hetero, and with the availability of APIs, we strengthen the backbone of medicine development, ensuring quality, sustainability, and self-reliance. Our production lines are the heart of the factory, where science transforms into medicine. From capsules to packaging, every step reflects precision, care, and global quality standards. We are not only meeting today's needs, but also geared up to supply high-quality medications to the international market. Every dose matters. Our storage facilities safeguard medicines with efficiency, traceability, and care, ensuring patients receive them in perfect condition. Inside our modern offices, our identity comes to life. Guided by our core values, quality assurance, operational excellence and integrity, customer centricity, resilience and agility, teamwork, and a passionate pursuit of progress, our people work together with one mission: to enhance lives. Elixir Pharma, leading a new era of pharmaceutical innovation in Middle East and Africa. Elixir Pharma, enhancing lives for a healthier tomorrow.